In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Word to PowerPoint. This is a really useful feature if you want quick access to documents during a presentation or if you need to include extra information without overcrowding your slides. Let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, load the presentation where you want to add your Word document. Now head to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This section allows you to add different types of content to your slides, including pictures, charts, videos, and external files. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Object option and click on it. A new window will appear with different ways to insert files into your presentation. From this window, choose Create from File. This option lets you connect an existing Word document stored on your computer. Next, click the Browse button and locate the Word document you want to link. Once you find the file, select it and click Insert. After that, click OK to confirm. Your Word document will now be linked to the PowerPoint slide. You can move or resize the file icon on the slide just like any other object. When presenting, simply click the linked document to open it directly from PowerPoint. One of the best parts about linking a Word document instead of copying its contents is that any updates made to the original file can automatically reflect in your presentation. This helps keep your information accurate and up to date. Using linked documents is a great way to keep presentations clean while still giving viewers access to detailed reports, notes, or supporting material. And that's it. You've successfully linked a Word document to PowerPoint. And that's how you can make your presentations more organized and professional using linked files. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.